If you're a music and pop culture enthusiast, the Rolling Stone magazine app offers a comprehensive digital experience. It provides access to the latest articles, in-depth features, and exclusive content covering music, politics, culture, and entertainment. The app allows users to read the monthly issues, including special editions, in a digital format. Additionally, it offers access to Rolling Stone Radio, providing curated playlists and live performances. The app's interface is designed to be user-friendly, allowing for easy navigation through articles and features. Users can also save their favorite articles for later reading. However, some users have reported that the app's focus has shifted towards online content, with the magazine itself being less prominently featured. The navigation has been described as less intuitive, with some users finding it challenging to browse through the magazine's table of contents. Additionally, there are reports of performance issues, such as slow load times and occasional crashes. Bottom line, the Rolling Stone magazine app is a valuable resource for staying updated on music and pop culture. While it offers a wealth of content, users may experience some navigation and performance challenges.